your exit. Hiya! Oh. No! Nagawa dito, miss?
Dito kami kumukuha ng sampagita para ilalapot.
Dito pa yung production area.
Pili kayo anong gusto niyong kulay.
Ay, iba-iba po yung sampagita nyo dito, oh?
Tapos pag magbibenta kayo yung walang guard para hindi kayo pinapain. Okay?
Okay po. Magkano po ang isa?
Ano lang? 5 dirhams.
Mahal naman po.
Pambawi lang pambayad ng ticket.
Magkano po?
Hi, we are going
Here in Dubai Miracle Garden. What is this? No, yeah, look, there's so many flowers.
Sama ka kay mama. Kay mama ka, kay mama.
1, 2, 3. Natalisin na lang natin yung mga tao sa likod niya.
May Photoshop na lang.
Yeah, what is that?
Loya, ital. Naital. Ulit. Flowers. Papakitaan kita ng isa.
Nag-check na po sila kung paano mag-edit sa cellphone.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh.
Paikot pa yan eh. Tapos, pag gano'n.
So fairy. Papa, later, anak. May dito po ba kayo?
Oo.
Ay, teka.
Wait lang, I can't. Ang dami, Lesmer! Oh. Oh, castle!
Ayun si Jenny, nakita ko na.
Oh! Ah, wow!
Hindi maubos ni ate yan. Dito, hindi maubos ni ate yan.
Ito naman, galit lagi. Oh. Oh. Naya, where is the red? Red flower? There! How about the orange? See the orange? Where's the orange? Here! Where? Yellow! Oh, sorry. Ah, yellow! Yuko! May bee!
Go down ka na, go down. Tayo ka na lang, bes.
Paki-photoshop na lang.
Si mama daw.
Hindi si mama muna.
You make it so bright. Uy!
Ang ganda nito.
Uy! What? What of? There's another elephant! Hey! There's another elephant! Get dadding, get dadding.
Tingnan natin yung elephant dito sa top.
Come. Look, there's elephant! There's eyes! Come on! Oh! Dali yung shoelace. The house of princess! That's right! Come, Hugo! Horse! Where's... Oh, there's a horse! You want? You want to take a picture in the horse? With the horse? Come on! Ah! Let's go to the horse!
Halika dito. Hindi niyo ko pa tinatawag eh. Oh, nakita mo?
Yay! Oh, there's a horse!
Nakita mo yung elephant yung picture.
Hi, elephant! Why?
I don't like balloons.
You don't like balloons?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. They will not go to you, okay?
Daddy, look, there's
Wow.
Dito, dyan na kayo, ma. Dito kayo sa gitna.
Bye!
Ayun kay tita. Ayun, smile.
Hugo, look, smile.
Ayan, okay.
Look at me, please.
Look at tita.
Can I see cute, Hugo? Look at me.
Pitat?
Yeah.
Yung?
Nakita mo yung maganda?
Hindi mo naman
Oh,
pipicture.
wait,
Ano ba yung pipicture?
Ay, sorry. Andiyan ka pala. Smart! Mama Mia!
Mama Mia.
Go, 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 Hugo! Hugo! Hugo!
Mama Mia.
Okay. Sina?
Bawas ha? Ang kapi ay dito.
Come, come, come! Let's go to Genie! Dali! The mirror. Ano? Ooh, what's that song? What's your favorite song? Come, come, come! Let's go to the ballet. Yeah! Wow! It's a flower! Huh? Bakla pala? Ay, grabe! Ah!
Ayun, sa gym.
Another one! Oh, ang dami pala, Noya. Happy to see that? Wow! It's a dancing! Yay! Woohoo!
There's another.
There's another one?
There's another ballet.
Wow!
I wanna take picture with Johnny.
Okay, okay. Sige, run ka dun. I'll take a picture. Here, there? Okay. That is very stinky. Look at those dance.
Careful, careful. Gusto mong kunin ka ng pulis?
Hi! Say hi! How's the experience?
Say hi.
Say hi!
Anong gagawin mo dyan mamaya?
Magligo.
Ay lang. Ay, kuha-kuha sa camera.
Why?
Hello, may alligator!
Wala ko.
Nakita mo alligator?
Nagtago yung alligator.
Lukit!
Sige na.
Kiss na si ate, kiss na si ate.
Kiss mo si
Tama na. Okay, ready.
Kiss na, kiss na.
Ama na daw. Ama na kayo.
Let's go na.
Uy, tamang-tamang oras ah. 6 talaga.
Maya, here, look.
Uy, easy.
Ang ganito yung... Ay, ang ganito
Yung ganyan.
yung ganito ka, Ben?
Ganun sa bear?
Opo.
Sige. O, dito tayo.
Yan ang cellphone.
Look at the penguin na yan.
Wala.
Tingnan mo si... Ang kuha niyo sa akin. Tingnan niyo mabuti.
Nakaka-proud ba yung mga kuha
Ayan,
namin? Oh, di ba?
Oo.
Kaya nga marami kami pinipicture para marami kang choices.
Tingnan mo ang kuha ko sa kanya.
Ah.
Hindi ko pa yan ha. Alisin ko pa yung mga tao. Riminin mo na yan. No, tingnan mo sa Rich. Oh.
So, natapos na po namin ang lahat. And we're going home. Ito na yung tsura niya kapag may lunch. Tada! Thank you very much. Dubai. Dubai. Ano yung pangalan nito? Dubai Miracle Garden. We enjoyed every place in this place. Bye-bye. So, how was your experience? Good. How was your experience?
Mainit.
Wait up, Pokemon.
How was your experience?
Wait up, Pokemon.
Enjoy.
How was your experience?
Okay.
Okay. We had fun. See you.
Enjoy kayo, go.
Bye.
year! Sana maisipan natin pumunta pag winter pa. Hindi mainit. Bye!
Tingnan niyo yung anak ko. Uy, hingi kayo ng pera! Paano yun? Carol, hingi ng pera!
Hindi, money. Ano yung pera? Pasok ka dun sa loob. Hingi po, money ka mo. Wala pong pangkain lang po. Pangkain lang po.
Ay, baka na daw aking mother.
Bakit po?
Look at that!